Ready to convert new customers? Let's go. We'll create your first comparison table together. Let's start by clicking on Create New. On this page, you can rename your first table, for example, My First Table. Next, choose from the available ready-made templates based on your preferences. We regularly add new ones. Now, select the products you want to showcase in your table. Once your product is selected, a reminder window will pop up to let you know that you must add a Us versus Them block in the Shopify theme editor for your table to appear on your product page, home page, and even in the cart. Next, enter your business or product name, which will appear in the main section of the comparison table. It's time to talk about your product by using keywords to highlight its advantages. You can add as many advantages as you want. Pro tip: use the tooltip feature to give detailed reasons why your advantage stands out without overcrowding your comparison table visually. Now that we've discussed your product's advantages, it's time to show how bad your competitors' products are by selecting Yes or No. You can add as many competitors as you like. Finally, personalize the table with your company's colors. We're sure you have an artist's eye. Save your changes. Now go to the Shopify theme editor, navigate to one of the product pages you previously selected, click on Add Block in the left panel, then on Apps, and select Us versus Them. Your table will now appear. In the right panel, you can adjust the font size for company names, products, advantages, and icons. And there you have it. Your table is ready to convert new customers. Thank you for downloading Us versus Them.